Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Pine Sol Multi-Surface Cleaner and Deodorizer. Yeah, now this is good for actually cleaning just about any surface you got in your house. I basically use it for cleaning my bathroom walls, tiles. But if I was going to use it on the floors, like a hardwood floor or anything, it's okay, but you have to make sure you have finish on there. Yeah, and what you do is 1/4 cup of this to 1 gallon of water and mix it. Very rarely, in my experience, do you have to use this at full strength. It's pretty strong, and it gets in there. We'll take some of this and mix it into the gallon, and I will go to town on my bathroom. I'll do it probably once a week, like on a weekend when I'm not doing anything else, and this works very well. And anybody who knows me, that citrus smell, so I am always going to get the lemon scent. I believe it comes in a different scent also, but I think the lemon is the most popular, and that's why I always get it. Yeah. So I also use it in my tiles and everything for the bathroom and for the kitchen. The kitchen counters, like on the bar. Yeah, it's made for grime, dirt, any kind of filth that gets on those kind of surfaces. This really gets through it. It really makes it. It cleans really, really well. It gets in there, and you don't have to scrub very much. Like if you're using it on your floors, and like if you have one of those sponge mops, you can just like I said, put this in a bucket and pour some of that on the floor and just mop it down with your mop and with your sponge mop, and just watch that shine come through. It looks clean. It really does, and it smells great. Yeah, so it's really a good buy. I've been using this probably for going on, oh boy, maybe about 6 years now. Pine Sol's been around for a long time. It's something that's people just swear by sometimes. Who hasn't used Pine Sol? But I know there's a lot of other cleaners out there to do the same kind of job, but this is the time study on this has been a long time, and it's proven effective, and I've never had an issue with it, and it's always smelled great, and didn't make me work that hard. Actually, clean all the grime in my house. Now, I'm not a real super dirty person, so my house is not like super grimy. Grime that is on there, this gets it out pretty good. Yeah. And I have never once had to use it at full strength. Because I like it to last. So, this makes up to 5 gallons, this bottle here. And this bottle is a economic size bottle. This is only 10 ounces. 10 ounces, yeah. So, yeah, I like things to last, and I like not to have to spend too much on just about anything. But, yeah, and it's not very expensive either. So, I've been using this for a while, and I got my experience using this from my grandmother. Like I said, Pine Sol's been around for a long time. When I first got my first apartment, she bought me one of these. She said there's certain things you have to have in your house, just as far as just supplies of living. This happened to be one of them. Is how they clean your bathroom. And when I come over here, I want to smell that lemon scent. And And I was like, okay, Grandma, that's right. Thank you for giving me that advice. Yeah. So, yeah, I've been using this a while, and she was right. It's really a good cleaner. It gets through all that grime, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Yeah. I don't think I would change to anything else unless it was a different kind of Pine Sol. It's like new and improved Pine Sol or something like that. But yeah, these are very good. I like them. I recommend it. All right. Okay, well, that is the Pine Sol Multi-Surface Cleaner and Deodorizer. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you again soon. All right, bye-bye.